Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the best buy and sell settings for BullX trading bot. If you've been using this bot, you probably understand how important it is to have the best settings to actually maximize your gains and also minimize your spend. And for those who are new to meme coin trading and BullX trading bot, you can find the link in description and start trading with a 10% discount and also early access to this amazing bot. Enough wasting time, let's jump in straight to the tutorial. I will show you 3 different levels and 3 different settings. Each of these settings are for different type of trader. And the first group and the first settings are for people who are trading less than 1 Solana per trade, basically lower amount. So let's jump into the BullX bot. Let's click any random token, for example, Moxie. I don't have any association with this token. And let's jump in straight to settings. So first of all, if you want to change the settings, you can click right here next to gas, and this will open buy and sell settings. So right now on the screen, you can see the settings that I would recommend for traders who are trading 1 or less Solana per trade. So priority should be set at 0.001. Maximum slippage could be 30%. I think don't go too crazy. I think 30 is the max for all the stages and all amounts if you're trading meme coins. Next up, disable the protection. And I would say 0 bribe is enough if you're trading with low amount. And actually for all the different stages, I use the same settings for the buy and sell. So just copy the same thing. Next up, let's move to the stage 2. If you're trading 1 to 6 Solana per trade, or you're doing, I would say, medium trades. So these settings are also really simple. Just remove 1 0. I'm still keeping the slippage at 30. Protection disabled and bribe at 0. And again, same goes for the sell settings. Again, really simple, easy to follow. And I think for these medium-sized trades, it really works well. I still haven't had issues. And I think right now I'm trading at this amount because with the meme coins, you cannot go too crazy because usually if you buy for 10, 20 Solana, people will just dump on you. So I think this is the sweet spot for trading on the BullX. But if you want to trade bigger amounts, and maybe you're trading on the bigger meme coins, for example, 1 million plus market cap meme coins, you can actually buy more. Basically, if you're trading 5 or 6 Solana plus per trade or per 1 token, I would go for 0.03. I would not recommend going higher because you will still outcompete your competition. Again, the slippage, maybe I would go lower, maybe 20%. And you can actually, if you go really high, I would recommend you to actually enable the protection. And this is where I would start using bribes. So I think 0.01. And again, you can make it higher or lower, but don't go too crazy because you're just wasting money. And I think for most of the people watching, I would recommend just going 0.1, disable, go 30 because yeah, it's volatile. Yeah, it's hard to click. And I would go for 0 bribe. I would say 90% of my time when I'm trading pump.fun or like really low cap meme coins, I'm using these settings for both buy and sell because it's enough and I'm not overspending, and also I'm really doing high volume trades. And also guys, I want to remind you, if you want to learn more about trading bots, auto sniping, meme coins, all these important things with trading, you can actually join our VIP group, the link in description. And this month we have 50% discount if you use code October. So use my code and let's chat in our VIP group. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you next time.